Hey guys, welcome to the stream. I I'm not in my normal place, uh, as you can tell, I'm sure. Open source, how's it going? Good to see you. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of coding, not too much, because I'm on vacation with my family and don't want to keep it, don't want to keep myself away from them too much. But I had an opportunity and I thought I'd come in and do a little bit of coding for you guys. So yeah, let's get right into it. First things first. I have no idea why this music sounds terrible. I'm gonna shut it off. Not shut it on. Shut it off. There we go. Alright. Now I can think straight. How's it going? Yes, the palm trees. This is really nice. I recommend this for everybody. If you can break away, you must do it. It's uh, it's essential to recharge yourself and all that. But I must code. Alright, let's get to it. Um, let's see. I'll make this a nice setup for me. Nice and set up, nice and easy. It's good to see you. Yeah, man, good to see you. Okay, so we had the local host server. We're on full stack. Sorry, I'm just remembering my bearings here. So this is actually a node server, so it's node index.js is what we want to do. Okay, we have a problem. That's right, I don't have my Mongoose connection. What can I do about that right now? Okay, so for right now, while we're here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bypass that. We don't really need the Mongoose connection right now. So let's go into the index.js and let's find that Mongoose connection. It's right here. And just comment it out. And there are other references to Mongoose, I think. Maybe not. Let me see. It's got to be state. Whatever state is in this context. State has Mongoose. It's got Mongoose. So where is that? Where is state? Where is it? There it is. So let's get rid of him. And anywhere else we have state stuff. Why don't we just get rid of all the little get requests, except for the one that we need, which is the index get request. So let's get rid of all of these. Oh, shoot. Okay. Trackpad. Trackpad is not my forte. There we go. Take two. Okay, server's running. Keen observer noticed that there's no Mongoose connection in the console because I obviously just got rid of it. All right. Do we have a game? Do we have a game? Oh yeah, 3000. I've never ran this on this computer like this. And I say this enough times, I think I can. So where I'm at is very bright. I know you can probably tell. But we do have the game working. Okay. And what do we got? We got circles. I hope I committed. If I didn't commit, oh no, I don't think I committed the last time. Oh no. Yeah, see, we have a whole lot of work that is not present right here. Now, ideally, it's just a matter of I forgot to pull it from GitHub, and let's hope, let's pray that that's the case. Okay. Ah, it's a good sign. let's go ahead and before it yells at us, let's go ahead and stash this change right here. Stash it up, and we'll pull this one. And then there shouldn't be anything that interferes, so I should just be able to unstash this. Restore, rather. Beautiful. All right. Yeah, let's see. Should I use this mouse? Okay, I recognize these colors. That looks good. Okay, we have circle, rectangle, and triangle. Remember, we removed point, and we just replaced it with circle with dimensions of 1 and 1. And there we go. We have our circle just like the way that we left it. Perfect. Oh, I love it. Okay, sweet. So, triangle? This is where we left off. Triangle. Okay. And I don't think I have any work committed towards triangle. We spent a little bit of time working on it last time, but I don't remember if we did anything with it. All right, well, let's work on it. Okay, we just have to remember, be very careful not to commit this index.js. Very important. Okie dokie. The file that we're looking for is what? What is it? Shapes? Yeah, shapes. Sorry, it's been 2 days. Assets? No? JS. Functions. Yes, here we are. Okay. It's amazing how much you forget in 2 days. Or at least it's amazing how much I forget in 2 days. Okay. So triangle. Add triangle. And here we are, and this looks like the old triangle. Okay. I think that this loop is good. No, 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 we don't want this loop. We don't even want this loop at all. Okay. So we'll comment it out entirely. And we have a make rectangle function. And we have a make rectangle. Sorry, we have a make rectangle function. We need a make triangle function. Add triangle. God, what am I saying? Okay, hold on. What we're doing is we're creating a rectangle. Do I have Copilot? Thank God Copilot works here. Thank God. Okay. Okay, so we have a rectangle, and then we're going to whittle it down with another function. Make triangle. And I'm just going to assume that's what I want because I completely forgot how it works and all that. Okay, good. Yep, looks good. Just joined. What's the game about? Alright, so we have a lite brite game. And if you're not familiar, it's like a child's game where you plug these little pegs in and they light up and you can make these cool, colorful pictures. And we can make shapes. This one, change the size of it, change the border color. That looks good. Erase them. It is, I guess, an art game. And right now we're working on the triangles because they're broken. Thanks for joining. Okay, so half width, we do need half width. We need basically everything that we had in the other triangle function, which will probably take it out of here. Yes, this is good. We do want this. Okay, this is where I think it goes wrong. This is trying to get the new position based on the half width. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at that. That's epic. Thank you, Judo Guy. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I don't know if it's epic, but it's going to be a lot of fun for people. Okay. Um, so again, I'm just completely. So we do the outline laid. We probably don't need that. So okay, we get the X min and the X max for each line, but this is a filter function. The filter function will consider all of the pieces of the rectangle, all of the points, and how we're going to filter it. I don't think I'm not that good with geometry, but I know that there's a way to do this. What are we doing with x there? We say x plus the half width divided by the x coefficient? I don't think so. No, I don't think that's it at all. I really don't. Here. Um, I'm going to do it the old way. Let x min equals that. Yes, exactly. Divided by 4. Is it that simple? I hope it's that simple. That'd be really nice. We can try to see if that works. It would be, so now here would be let triangle, and then we call that function that we just make triangle, yeah. And then we create another for loop for this array that is the triangle, and we should be good enough to, yeah, that looks good. And then just make sure that we're returning, and we should, yeah, we're returning down there. Uh-oh, looks like we forgot something. If, that looks fine. That looks fine. Here we're not returning anything. I don't think that's the issue. But that would have been an issue, so we don't want that to crop up. Okay. Where are you? This right here. There it is. Yeah, that guy was in the wrong place. So, gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Alright, so let's see what kind of damage we did to this program. Oh, it looks like it's still working. Okay, did we make triangles? No triangles. Okay. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Let's see. Um, an error. We have an error. That's really good. So we have y is not defined, and that must be inside of our make triangle function. And right here we have y, and there is no y. We need to call position.y. Correct. Okay, and do the same thing here, I assume. Now, I'm looking at this, and I don't think this is right, because I seem to remember that we did the total height minus y. Oh, we're doing that. Okay, duh. Okay, sorry. Ignore that. Ignore that. Moby Dick, gotta unpack. Enjoy your vacation. Thanks for, by the way, for the Franken UI short. I looked into it today, and I might give it a try as soon as I have some spare time. Yeah, man, give it a try. I actually really enjoyed it over Shad CN. I actually just was not ever able to get started with Shad CN. And again, I'm not the biggest React guy, so I don't want to like make it sound like I'm just saying that it's bad or whatever, but I just, I was able to get started with that Franken UI much better, and it seemed to be more or less the same thing. The only thing I'll say about it is that it doesn't have the blocks feature, which is really cool with Shad CN. You can copy and paste their blocks, and you can't do that with Franken UI. So that's a drawback. But if you're not looking for that, then it might be the way to go. If you're not looking for that and you're not good with React, and you maybe not even good with CSS at all. Anyway, all right. So let's see if we got triangles finally. Triangles. Do we have any triangles? No. Okay, what is it this time? X is not defined. Do we, okay, yeah. We missed it. We missed that one. We miss a lot of things, but that's okay. Because, I mean, either the program works or it doesn't, right? And if it doesn't, you just go back and you fix it. Okay. I see something happening here. And it's looking like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like a little bit of a triangle, just we're working with the wrong stuff. Okay, so what's the deal? All right, here we have the width, and we get the new position, which is, okay, the new position. The new position has nothing to do with the x min and the x max. So here we have x is greater than or equal to x min plus 1, x max, y. That's not it. That's not it at all. Hold on. If it's less than x max. Okay, yeah, that's the one. This is the filling. This is just, making sure that it's not off the board. Then we have other stuff. I'm not seeing the difference right now. I'm not seeing the difference right now. Well, the only difference that I could see is that we're not adjusted for. We're not scaled. I mean, so where we have make circle, we have the circle. There's no scaling here, right? So maybe I'm wrong on that one. Maybe I'm wrong on that one. Let me check if there's scaling like further down. We had a scaled radius, but we never used it. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that right now. Okay, so it's not the scaled radius that's scaling the circle. So what's going on? How about we do this? I always do this when we have, God, I'm sweating. When we have, uh-oh. Well, it looks like my battery on my laptop is dying. I didn't realize it was so light. Sorry guys, I gotta go, but yeah, I'll get this thing on the charger and maybe I'll do a stream later tonight, get it plugged up and everything. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll